this video today, I'm going to show you all the things that you did not know exist on MetaTrader 5. So at first, I will answer the questions that I received prior from my previous video on MetaTrader 5. So the first comment was from HyperDexa, which he said, how I get buy and sell button to bottom. So to get the sell and buy buttons, you'll just click on this rectangle right here, and the menu that has buy and sell buttons will pop out below for you to choose in either of the two according to your own analysis. So since this is a demo account, I'll just enter sell and buy trades randomly right here, and to modify these positions you just click in either of the orders like this, and this menu that has stop loss and take profits will just appear below your screen. So what to do again next here, you'll just click on this menu if you want to put your stop loss, and you'll move these lines on the screen to where you see it's the appropriate level to put your stop loss. And for the take profits levels, you'll also do the same, and after you're done, you'll click this arrow right here to modify your positions. So the second comment was from slow, I'm not sure how to pronounce this, but the comment was, the only thing it's missing now for me is automatic calculation of lot sizes. Can you imagine that's happening? So far on this MetaTrader 5, this feature is not yet there. It is not yet there on MetaTrader 5. But what I can show you is you may use this crosshair tool right here by clicking this right here, and this line will occur. This will help you to calculate the number of candlesticks that have moved to any direction that you want, and it can also calculate for you the number of pips that have moved to any direction that you want. So I will use this arrow by holding down with one hand and using another finger to go to any direction that I want. You can see here it calculates for me the number of candlesticks that have moved this direction and the number of pips that have moved from this starting point right here. So the next comment comes from Carl, and they said the new update is awesome. I wish they put close all orders button next update. Well, guess what, Carl? Your wish has come true. On this new MetaTrader 5, you can close all your positions at once if you want. For example, to close your orders, you will use these three dots right here, and this menu will appear at the bottom that has your options. The first option is close all positions, or close all profitable positions, or just close losing positions, any that you want. So this new update is very awesome. So next comment comes from Jamila. I recently updated my MT5. Now I notice I can't adjust the charts to fit my site. We had an option to press down the chart section and draw it back to give us a clear picture of what the current price is doing, but as of recently, I noticed that isn't available no more. The current price is just too close to the screen that I can't see what it's creating. This can be frustrating. Is there a new feature that allows us to adjust our charts? It's making me feel frustrated. Please help. So if I get your question right, I think what's happening to you is that the prices have been too much zoomed in on your screen. There are many ways where you can adjust your charts to fit your site. The first option that has been there for a long time is by just pinching or zooming on your screen just like this. When you just put your two fingers and you pinch the screen, the market will be zoomed in. The next feature, there is this arrow right here below. This minor arrow right here below. You can use this arrow to shift or to adjust your charts on the screen. For example, if I click this chart right here, you can see I can just move my screen to where I want. I can just move these pluses to where I want if I just click and hold on this arrow below. So Jeremy, I hope I have answered your question well. From Sophie, he said, hey, please, can you make a video on how to manipulate the take profit stop loss option on the new MT5? I don't know what Sophie meant by saying manipulate, but I've said earlier, you can choose to adjust your take profit and stop loss options on new MetaTrader 5 by just clicking on your orders straight from the screen, and this menu will pop out, and you can adjust any levels that where you want your stop loss levels to occur or your take profits to occur. And once you're done, you'll just click this arrow right here and you will modify your positions. If that's what you meant, then that's cool.